This video you're watching right now was made with 2 CLI commands. Let me show you how. Step 1. I run HeyGen Video Create in my terminal. 60 seconds later, I have a talking avatar with a transparent background. That's me, generated by the command I just showed you. Step 2. I write an HTML file. That's my video. HyperFrames turns HTML, CSS, and GSAP animations into rendered video. The catalog has 85 production blocks, captions, maps, liquid glass, code snippets, and they drop in with a single command. I open the studio editor, drag blocks onto the timeline, tweak the motion in the design panel, and preview it live. Step 3. I run HyperFrames render. It compiles the HTML, embeds fonts deterministically, captures every frame in headless Chrome, and encodes to 60 FPS. The video file lands in my terminal. That's it. No After Effects, no Premiere. 2CL is an HTML file and 22,000 GitHub stars of open source. This repo shipped 200 PRs in the last 2 weeks, 15 releases, 29 contributors, and every video you see on this feed made the same way. Install the skills, point an agent at your GitHub, and it builds the whole thing. Your weekly update is a / command away.